We're down in the basement here, and it's important for you as homeowners to realize that there are multiple deficiencies that can cause you physical damage or even death if you don't fix them and install modern safety-rated equipment. Here's another example. If we take a look at this outlet, it's mounted directly against the outside wall. That's a problem. It's going to corrode. We can actually see some of the corrosion beginning to develop along the top and around the sides of this receptacle and outlet. Secondly, this is a wet location. You can see the washer and dryer here. Typically, this is going to require a ground fault circuit interrupter, and you can tell that this is a standard outlet where the ground fault circuit interrupter is missing. One of the ways we test our outlets is that we use a simple safety device like this, manufactured by Chicago and national companies, and we just plug it into the small hole of the receptacle. That tells us it's live. Now, you won't need to do that as a homeowner, but it's a simple $10 device that may help you save lives of your family members. I'm going to plug this back in. I don't know when the homeowner is planning on changing this. I hope it's soon. And here's another example of a significant deficiency. Let's take a look at this steel electrical switch box and note how it's corroded. Water is getting through this outside wall here, coming through the brick, and actually collecting at the back side of the electrical box. That water is reacting by rusting the electrical box, and the developing rust then causes this corrosion, which is extremely problematic for the electrical connections which occur inside this box. Water and electricity don't mix. Everybody knows that by the time they're finished with 3rd grade and they have their first general science project. So this electrical box, the switch box, should be raised and pulled away from the outside wall to prevent the deterioration of the electrical connections which is occurring inside this box. I talked to the homeowner, and this is a project they're planning on completing this year. Likewise, this timer, which is used to turn on and off the exterior lights, should be removed from direct contact to the exterior wall. Both of these devices should be sitting on a piece of plywood or a piece of wood where there's no direct metal contact to the outside wall. This is hazardous, significantly deficient, and unsafe.